Hi, this is Sally Wood for Be Inspired, and the other day I showed you how to change out a channeled cushion like these ones for foam. And this lady has a similar problem. They've kind of sagged at the top here, and I'm going to show you a different way of dealing with this style of cushion. So let's get on with it. All I'm doing is trying to push all of the fibre forward, and as you can see, it's got this much space. Now, they might have only been that much anyway to start off with widthways, but if you go this way, then you can see how much they've compressed over time. And this happens. This is quite normal. So I'm going to open up the back end. I'm going to unstitch from where they had stitched it originally. So all I'm going to do is grab hold of one of the threads. This one just pulls all the way through. Some of them it's a chain stitch, and others you have to literally undo. So now it's open, and this is what it looks like inside. They just sew fabric between the two pieces like that, and then they fill up the channels. I'm not going to be able to get the same weight in here, but I can fill that up. Usually what people do is they just push it forward like that, so it fills up the channel a bit better. If I look at this middle one, there's quite a bit of space along here, so I'm actually going to fill along the top here and probably a little bit along here too. I don't want to fill it so it's too filled this way, otherwise it's not going to fit back into the cushion cover. So let's see what I can do. A little bit along each channel top and then in at the end. Now I have here a box of Polyfill, and as you undo it, it kind of expands out of the top like this. And I've taken this from a friend of mine. I'm going to weigh it out so I can pay her back later. Otherwise I would get cheap pillows. Walmart have them. All I've done is grabbed a handful out like that, and I've teased it out because it's a little bit crushed. And I'm going to put this all the way to the top end here. And I'm going to just put maybe a couple of inches worth along top so that it fills out the height. Just make it as even as you can, and then I will work on the back end of the channels just to crunch it forward a bit. This will reshape when it's used. I'm not going to put in so much that it's all lumpy. Just make sure it fills all the way to the front end. Filled the channels, and I've put some extra at the end here so that will push forward. Now I'm going to pin it. I'm going to pin it the way I'm going to sew it. So I'm going to be sewing it from this end to that end. Line everything up. Try to make everything even to both ends like that. And here. Just stretch it out. Make sure you haven't pinned anything you don't need to on the other side. I have an even feed foot here, and I've removed the base of the sewing machine, as that is the easiest way to get this under here. Pop it underneath, which is the awkward part because it really doesn't want to fit under there. I'm going to go from the top edge where it was finished sewing in, like that, and I'm just going to sew, keeping my raw edges together across. And it's on a number 4, so it's quite a big stitch. And I run the raw edges along the side of the foot, and with a bit of luck that will go in evenly. Now, because it's so lumpy and bumpy, you end up having to move everything forward as you go. Also remove the pins as you get to them. Make sure everything's level underneath. Because my machine isn't actually designed for this kind of sewing, it will ruck up. On the whole, it should go through nicely. And as I get to the top, it's so rigid with the filler inside, it doesn't want to go where I want it to go. But so long as the stitching finishes up here where they finished, that's all that matters. There we go. Thank you for joining me today. It's a real short project and well worth the effort. Many people don't realise what a quick easy fix this is. Just for the price of a cushion or maybe 2 pillows, whatever it is you decide to use, it's an economical project to do. I hope she's pleased with it. If you want to hear more from me, subscribe, hit the bell button. A few thumbs up would be really nice, and then I know how well I'm doing. And in the meantime, take care. See you later. Ciao.